have right there.
Oh, yeah, it's National Waffle Day, August 24th. It's a favorite breakfast food with infinite possibilities. And joining us now, Chef Edio, how are you from Red Lion Diner?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you guys located, by the way?
We are on Route 206, Route 70.
Southampton?
Yes, Southampton, New Jersey.
Gotcha.
Easy to get there.
Easy to get there.
Yes.
Okay, so a lot of people just think of the traditional waffle, right?
Yes.
But you guys have a lot of different specials. So let's kind of walk through what you brought for us this morning so you can kind of showcase it. I always see chicken and waffles. I never really understood it when I used to eat chicken, but people love that one, right?
They love it. We brought it back. We have it on the menu for a while now, and it's about the layers of flavor. So we have a traditional waffle.
Yes.
Homemade fried chicken,
Yes.
and then we top it off with some brown gravy with reduced maple syrup.
Oh, brown gravy with maple syrup.
Yeah, so it's about the flavors.
Gotcha.
Yeah, people's loving it, and people's happy we have it on our menu.
And I guess it's like the softness of the waffle, the crunchiness of the chicken.
Yeah, and the savory gravy on it.
Yeah.
You know, that completes everything.
I love that.
It's like something you can have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
It's true. It's not just a breakfast item. What's this here?
That's our Jersey waffle, we call it. Got a traditional waffle.
Yes.
Pork gold. It's not Tyler ham. It's pork gold.
Oh.
So people know.
Okay.
American cheese,
Yes.
and fried eggs on top. You can add the scrambled eggs, sunny side up.
However you want your
However
eggs.
you want it. Yeah.
I like that. That's
Yeah.
like a meal all in one plate right
Yeah.
here.
And it's been so popular, it's going on our menu. We have it on our blackboard every day.
Yes. But you're
So
going to put it on the menu?
It's going to go on the menu next week. So
Nice.
people can come and get it anytime.
Now, what is this? Now, this looks interesting to me because I
That's-
don't think of that on top of a waffle.
Yes, it is. So it's cheap beef, traditional. You serve it on top of toast
Yes.
or home fries.
Okay.
But we are doing it on a waffle, and people's loving it.
Chipped beef.
Cheap beef. Yes.
Gotcha. What's in that?
So it's a very simple recipe. People wanna make it at the house.
Yes.
It's butter, flour, milk, and dry beef.
Oh,
So,
butter, flour,
yeah.
milk, and beef. And you
Yeah.
just put it on top.
You just place it on top, just like that.
Gotcha. Just drizzle it on top of there. Okay, that's interesting because I wouldn't think of that one either. Now, this is one that I love because I'm a dessert girl and I have a sweet tooth. So I like what you did here with this one. This
Yeah.
is your strawberry shortcake.
Yes, that's something we only make it at the diner. People love it. You can do it as a dessert if you
It's
enjoy.
a lot for breakfast,
yeah,
right?
it's a lot for breakfast. So, you know, we have a strawberry waffle.
I was going to say, this one looks a little pink.
Yeah,
so
it's
that
pink.
was pink
Yeah.
instead of the traditional.
So we use our traditional butter
Yeah.
mixed with strawberry filling.
Yeah.
Then we add layers of fresh strawberry, fresh whipped cream, and then we finish it off with a strawberry glaze.
I love this. I love this. Now tell me, all of these have the waffle in them, but in your mixture, is it a pretty simple recipe for the mixture for the batter?
Yes, it's a simple recipe. People can make it at the house. It's 8 ingredients.
Oh, I love that. Okay, so we have them up there. I love it.
Yeah.
Flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, vanilla. Oh, you put vanilla extract in your...
Yes.
Ah, maybe I should
Now
do
they
that.
know the secret.
I know, that's the secret. I never knew that.
Yeah.
That's a good one to know. Okay, so that's an easy recipe. People are at home, it's kind of chilly outside. Listen, I don't want you to go away because I've recruited Chef Edio to help me have a battle of the waffles with Jeff. So we're gonna see who can put together the best stack of waffles and do it the fastest. So you don't wanna miss it, so stay with us for that. And as we take a live look outside, it certainly starts to feel like fall. So waffles are really good. But a lot of you also know that pumpkin spice everything is back. Do you love it? Are you over it? Head to our website, fox29.com/go vote. Let us know what you think.